TikTok fam! Guess what? I've got some exciting news for you. Get ready to step into style because PhilippinesBrands.com is having its grand opening celebration. And here's the best part, they're giving away free shoes with your first purchase. Yes, you heard it right. Free shoes to kick off the grand opening in style. All you have to do is make your first purchase at PhilippinesBrands.com. Whether you're into sneakers, shoes, or the latest fashion footwear, they've got it all. It's the perfect time to upgrade your shoe game and make a statement with your style. Don't miss out on this amazing offer during their grand opening celebration. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to PhilippinesBrands.com, fill up your cart, and snag those free shoes with your first purchase. Tag your friends, spread the word, and let's celebrate the grand opening together. Happy shopping!